it's usually too many people want to help. You know, no one's gonna make you work till 7 o'clock at night by yourself here. If you have a question or something comes up or you need an extra set of hands on something, someone always comes in and helps bail you out. My name's Kyle. I've been at Cardinal Heating for about 2 years now, and I do service plumbing. Everyone wants to work hard, you know, help each other out, get things done. It's laid back, but everyone gets their stuff done. You know, it's a lot of joking around, but everybody's moving, everyone's doing something. I leave straight from my house in the van to the first job if it's something I got on the truck that I can get through. If it turns into something else where I need a piece of equipment, I can easily call the shop and have it ran to me. And I just keep working. I'll get phone calls or I'll call other guys during the day and just ask them. Some of them are a little more specialized in something that maybe I'm not as familiar with, but we can always talk it out and get through it and help each other out if something comes up. You know, help's only a phone call away, and someone will pick up and walk you through it if you get stuck or need a hand with something. At my last job, I'd kind of just hit the plateau. I was just doing the same thing over and over and over and was looking for something else, something more challenging. So applied Cardinal and haven't regretted it since, haven't looked back.